trickier than I thought today. I don't want to break through. Oh my gosh. Tricky because it's frozen. But we're here. It's cold. Good morning. I made it down the mountain and I talked myself out of this one. I was like, no, I'm already cold. I've already been exposed to cold. I'm just gonna go. Then I was like, man, there's no wind. Don't listen to that part of your brain. You'll regret it. You'll love the benefits. You'll love the energy for the rest of the day. And here I am again. In the stinking water. Frozen. But the sun is shining. Stay grateful.